Ang kapal ng pagmumukha mo talaga kung sino ka man, ano. Sisiraan mo ko pati sa mga anak ko at pati asawa ko. Napakakapal din ng pagmumukha mo, no. Sino palagay mo nagpalaki sa mga bata dito? Ha? Sino nagpalaki ng bata dito? At sino umayos ng papel ng bata dito? Makapal din ang pagmumukha mo. O sige, Englishin ko. Hindi ko alam kung Pilipino, sabwat ka ng puti at sabwat ka ng hapon. Ha? I will going to do English. You going to what? Give me a bad reputation to my children and to my husband? Is that all what you can do? Why? Because you covering your bloody thieving my asset in Japan? And you making me wrong to my children here and even to my husband because it happened that you got my husband and asset in Japan, and you have to be careful. I know already a bit of all of you from Japan and here. There's somebody chatting to my daughter here 2018 and trying to make her as a girlfriend that from Netherlands. Somebody chatting to her for the first time, a Dutch teenager. I don't know if it is a teenager because my father-in-law said I have to be careful because probably behind is an old man that chatting with my daughter because it's online. Ang kapal ng pagmumukha. Sino tong naninirang to sa akin? Mula, talagang sinusundan nyo ako, no? Mga ganggang kayo, no? Kung ano-ano narinig ko sa mga anak ko, kung ano-anong tinuturo nyo, mga demonyo kayo. You're old devil. You giving me a bad reputation to my children. Look at what you doing. You ruin. I am not the one who what do you call this person? Stalking. I'm not a stalker. You all the stalker. You stalking me. You stalking my family. And then you giving a bad story. I don't know you, who you are. And you even managed to sell my asset in Japan with my ex. And I know I've seen you already before this happened. You saw my car. You know me. You saw my car with your kid that about 2 or 3 years old when my car arrived to where my husband working area. Somebody ring me in the house that nobody talking for 3 times that give me a bad feeling. I even left the 2 months baby in the crib just to check where my husband is, and what I found is a woman across the road when saw my car disappear with the 2 or 3 years old child at the front where my husband job site. I think you know me because when you saw my car, you disappear to the elevator. And as I know that place, that elevator, when you go upstairs, there is a Filipina snack bar. Are you trying to really ruin my whole life? It's because you can't accept that you are a mistress. You did attack me with your sister in the house that suppose I am living with my children. You attack me with my husband to my front door the time I'm leaving that house that you both sold. I'll find you and I'll find you. You the one who ruining my reputation to my children here. Do you think you will work? Even I'm going to the FBI already. I'm going to consult to psychology. I'm going to consult a lawyer. I'm going to consult legal for what you're doing. You're a bloody slut and you are a bloody whore. You making my life and my marriage and my children's life miserable. You have to be careful. If you manage to pull me in Japan and sold my asset with that stupid ex of mine, and you made my children without mother, and now you telling I'm not a good mother. Do you know how many times I died in Japan before I decide here to live near to my mother? And you telling me I am the reason why it happened my children in Japan don't have a mother? It's because you whore, hungry, you open your legs, you make a daughter or you make a son, whichever, because I don't know, it's a 2-3-year-old and I'm far away that time. I don't know if a boy or a girl. You saw my car, you know me, you're bloody slut, you're a whore, and now I'm finding my children are having a tantrum to me that is like I'm a bad mother. Somebody putting to their head and to their ears, you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Look at me. Look at me. Try more. Talk to my children here that I am a bad woman. And I'm going to the FBI already. And all of you, included my exes, included my exes, and you the woman horse, stop annoying me, I want to enjoy my life, I want to live happy. If you, because just opening your legs to ruin me, you will see me. You have to be careful. I'm going to find a legal about this because you're ruining my life and my children's life. You are happy, You are rich. Really. We will find out. Because my property sold there. My property sold there, and I don't know where the money gone. That's suppose I left it for my children. And now my children here being manipulated that I never raised a children. You kidnap my children in Japan, and now you're trying to kidnap my children here in Australia. You are a bloody